So guys, I want to show you something. I have Volkswagen Touareg on the passenger side carpet. Can you see it? Water. And why it can happen? Sometimes can happen about the bad heating core or other thing, like in this case the water full of it. I'll show you what to do. The drain, can you see the drain hose? It was blocked. I unblock it, waters go down, problem solved. In many cases the problem is like this one, so sometimes it's easy to fix it, sometimes don't. So if you have the humid carpet passenger side or driver side, always check first drain. Check if there is a water inside this compartment, so drain is blocked. In this case it was easy to fix it.